Hello, Phoenix Physics students. Um, Hello, Phoenix Physics students. I'm recording this on Wednesday, August 30th, and the purpose of this recording is to remind you of a few things that are coming up. First of all, I want to point out the first announcement that I made just before class started. In case you didn't open the announcements, I want to make sure you watch this video. This is an introduction to the course, and I go and describe the different uh, assignments and what's expected when things are due. So if you have any questions during this first week, they should be answered in this video. So make sure you watch that video. Okay, so going into the current week, um, if you haven't introduced yourself, go ahead. It's totally optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. And please, if you do introduce yourself, tell me something about why you're at the University of Phoenix. What do you want to do with your education here? Okay, the other thing, this is due Thursday, which would be August 31st, by midnight Phoenix time. It's the interactive overview. It just asks you how you're feeling so far this week. Gives me a sense of where you're at, and it only takes about a minute. More importantly is your response to the discussion. So you're supposed to respond to the discussion topic also by midnight Thursday Phoenix time. That's Thursday, August 31st. So as of the time I'm recording this, uh, you have about another 24 hours to get your response in. Okay, the other stuff, it's self-explanatory. Reading review quiz by the end of the week, by midnight Monday. Again, everything's based on Phoenix time. Your buoyancy lab, and then the essay or lab report that you're supposed to write based on what you did in the lab. Okay, last thing I want to point out is I have a live meeting scheduled for this Friday. That's 5 p.m. Phoenix time. If you don't know what that is in your time zone, just click the link before Friday, preferably, or at least early Friday, and it'll tell you the time in your time zone. I'm on Eastern time, so the meeting will begin at 8 o'clock. It's going to last an hour at the very most. I'll try to cut it off a little earlier because I have a meeting following right on the heels of this one, so I need to get it over with within an hour. And I describe what I'm going to do there. I mean, I'm available for questions, so if there's any questions you have about the course, this is your best time to get real-time answers. I'm also going to say a little bit about the week's subject matter and say a little bit about the simulation itself. So if you have any questions, please come to them. This is an optional meeting. You don't have to attend, but I really uh, think these meetings benefit if there's at least a few students showing up to give me someone to interact with. Anyway, that's it for now, and I'll see some of you on Friday. If not, I'll see you in class.